Got a dead key fob battery in your 2015-2020 Cadillac Escalade? No problem. You can still unlock, open, and start your vehicle. First, locate the mechanical key hidden inside the fob. Press the release button on the side or bottom to slide it out. Insert this key into the driver's door key cylinder, which might be under a cover flap, and turn to unlock. Open the door, get inside, press the brake pedal, and push the engine start-stop button. The car will detect the fob's transponder even without battery power if it's within 3 to 5 feet of the start button. If that doesn't work, consult the owner's manual for your specific model year. To avoid future dead key fob situations, replace the CR 2032 battery every 1 to 2 years. Extreme temperatures can shorten battery life. Consider aftermarket solutions like rechargeable batteries or Bluetooth key extenders for longer battery life. While newer Cadillac models are shifting towards digital keys via smartphone apps, these mechanical methods remain reliable for 2015-2020 Escalades. Remember, never attempt to hotwire or bypass security systems. As the automotive industry moves towards fully digital systems and biometric entry, always keep your mechanical key as a backup, especially for older models.